Pavitra, just explain about yourself.
Hi sir, my name is Pavitra. I am from Kanagiri. I
Very
am
good.
studied BTech CSC in stream of CSC branch in Merits College in Udaygiri. In CSC, I have 8.5 GPA, 7.5 GPA, and my skills are Python, SQL basics, and HTML, JavaScript. And my hobbies are singing and writing songs, doing yoga. And I am looking for a good job and in good company. That's it.
Very good, madam. Very good, but your resume and your words are not syncing. Just try to sing them. Okay, no worries. Just explain about your project.
In my project, this is image sending, sir. We use the memory to store that image directly, and we send the image to others. They cannot load that image, and it is automatically download to their memory, and it is some low consume memories.
What is the purpose of this project?
To sending the files or images.
We are already having WhatsApp. So many applications are there. What is the difference your project is making than others?
To fast sending and fastly.
How you measure the performance of your project application? No, these kind of questions you will get in the interview for sure, because you clearly mentioned that project. I have did this project, and these kind of questions you will get. So please be prepared. Okay, please be prepared. Okay, how much you rate yourself in Python out of 5?
3.5.
Okay. Interestingly, you mentioned Java also in your certifications, right? I would like to ask you one basic question.
Okay.
What is the difference between Java and Python?
In Python, code is we can write code simply. In Java, we can elaborate, and Python consumes less memory. Java consumes more memory.
You are using big generic statements. How Python, Java, how you can tell? Can you prove it? Java takes less memory and Python takes, Python takes less memory, Java takes big memory. You are telling like that, right? You are telling like that, right?
Python has some simple code, right? So that's why.
Simple code,
we can write
less number of lines of code.
Yes.
But we cannot say memory consumption, right? Oh, madam, please. Okay? No worries. So what is the use of decision making statements in Python?
To iterate the
decision making statements.
Set of state to combine the multiple conditions we use decision making statements.
No. What about logical operators then?
If else.
I'm intentionally confusing you, madam. Maybe if you find this kind of interviewer in the interview, then you will be hands up. There's no doubt. Please. So what is the use of loops?
To set of statements, to iterate some set of statements we use.
Okay, good. Can you write a program to check whether given number is prime number or not? No, madam. For syntax itself, you written wrong. Then no, please try to practice. Okay, no worries. This entire the program itself completely wrong. Okay, anyway, I will give this paper to you. After going home, you can check it. Okay, no worries. Okay. Tell me, what is the difference between list and tuple?
List is a mutable data structure. Tuple is a immutable data structure. If we store some values in list, we can modify. In tuple, we cannot modify.
Good. So, except mutability and immutability, is there any other difference?
There is a performance difference. We can store the list and tuple in one place. We can modify the list. If we can retrieve the data from the list, it takes time. In tuple, we cannot modify. That's why it is taking less time to retrieve.
You mean if the data is not modified, it takes less time, and if the data is modified, it takes extra time. How?
We can store it in behind the scenes. The Python stores the data in different places, right? So that's why.
Okay, I understand, madam, but you have to tell me very, very clearly, please. Okay. Can you write a program? So you take a list. List is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. A list is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. So I want you to remove the duplicates from the list. Very good, man. Very short answer. Very good. Very good. What do you mean of generator?
Generator is a special function which is used to yield keyword to return the value.
Why it is using yield keyword?
If we use yield keyword, we can retrieve the data easily, I mean one by one, and it cannot store the values in one place. It can execute one by
Why? I mean, can you differentiate storing and yield? What is the relation between storage and yield? Why you are using that storing term here? That's what my question is.
If we use return keyword, once we execute it cannot come back. That's why the return value take the values one by one and store one list that consumes memory. In yield keyword we cannot do
No,
that.
madam, bit confusing. But okay, I will tell you what you are confusing also. Anyway, you are having the recording with you.
Okay.
Once you go home, you can check. Next, what do you mean of decorator?
Decorator is a special function. Without modifying the original function, we can write the code.
Okay. Can you give me an example program for the decorator? Madam, what the append? Right, program right. No way. Okay. So please, that's it. In చెప్తున్నాను మేడం, I know you are the very good student in the class. There is no doubt. You are regularly coming. You will give the response for every question. I know you are doing good. బట్ తడబడుతున్నారు. నాకు తెలిసి ఇంటర్వ్యూ, నాకు తెలిసి ఫస్ట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ లేదా సెకండ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ అవడం వల్ల కొంచెం ఫియర్ ఉంటుంది. దాన్ని కవర్ చేయాలి మేడం. మనకి ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్రాక్ చేయాలంటే మాత్రం కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉండాలి, ప్రాక్టికల్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఉండాలి, మనం మాట్లాడే దాంట్లో క్లారిటీ ఉండాలి. ఈ మూడు మిస్ అవుతున్నారు మీరు. మీరు పాజిటివ్గా తీసుకోండి, మాట్లాడింది నెగిటివ్ తీసుకోండి మేడం. పాజిటివ్గా తీసుకోండి, వీటి మీద వర్క్ చేయండి. ఇంకెలాగో మనకి 3-4 ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ మనం కండక్ట్ చేస్తాం.